Welcome to Expert Credit Care's weekly series, This or That, where we ask the question, which option is better for your credit? We aim to help spread credit awareness to our community, and our goal is to help you hear, you're approved. Stay tuned every Thursday for a new episode, and please like and subscribe to our page, share this video, and comment your answer below, as we help spread awareness to help others on their credit journey. This week, we ask which is less harmful to your credit, Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Both Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 can have significant impacts on your credit score and credit history. However, the degree of harm and the duration of the impact may differ between the two types of bankruptcy. Chapter 7 bankruptcy is often referred to as liquidation bankruptcy. It involves the sale of non-exempt assets to pay off creditors, and any remaining eligible debts are discharged or forgiven. Chapter 13 bankruptcy is often referred to as the wage earners plan or reorganization bankruptcy. It involves creating a court-approved repayment plan to pay off a portion of your debts over 3 to 5 years. Let's take a look at each impact on your credit and the duration of the impact. Chapter 7 bankruptcy impact. A Chapter 7 can stay on your credit report for up to 10 years from the date of filing. It may have a more severe initial impact on your credit score compared to Chapter 13 bankruptcy. While Chapter 7 bankruptcy remains on your credit report for up to 10 years, its impact on your credit score tends to diminish over time if you manage your finances responsibly. Over the years, as negative items age and you establish a positive credit history, the bankruptcy's impact will gradually decrease. Chapter 13 bankruptcy impact. A Chapter 13 generally remains on your credit report for up to 7 years from the date of filing. It may have a slightly less severe initial impact on your credit score compared to Chapter 7 bankruptcy, since you are repaying some of your debts. The duration of impact is similar to Chapter 7 bankruptcy, as Chapter 13's impact on your credit score tends to diminish over time as long as you manage your finances responsibly during and after the repayment plan. As you make on-time payments according to the court-approved plan, this responsible behavior can positively impact your credit score over time. In both cases, the impact of bankruptcy on your credit can make it more challenging to obtain new credit or loans immediately after filing. However, it's important to remember that you can begin rebuilding your credit after bankruptcy by taking steps to establish a positive credit history, such as using secured credit cards, making on-time payments, and keeping credit utilization low. Ultimately, whether you choose Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy depends on your specific financial situation and your ability to meet the eligibility criteria for each type of bankruptcy. Before making any decision, it is crucial to consult with a qualified bankruptcy attorney to understand the implications and potential alternatives that may be available to you.